Alright class, today we'll be talking about simultaneous and quick. You get back here right now! Rosie, cut it off crying like a baby. You're not in preschool. You have to get used to things that might affect you, Rosie. Everyone get used to the fire alarm, you know. I don't want the fire alarm to go happen. That scared me to death! I understand that you're scared of fire alarms. You did such a great job, kids. Except for Rosie. For behaving good, we could go back in the classroom. Now let's get back to the class.
Everyone think that fire alarms are required? They should think again. I'm going to sneak into the school and broke out a fire alarm. I need to bring a hammer and a tool. I need to do this in 12:30. I did it! I broke out 2 fire alarms.
What happened to the fire alarms? They're broken. Maybe all of them. Who could have done this to our school? Rosie, did you just broke all the fire alarms?
Yes, I did!
Oh my freaking god! Rosie, how dare you broke all the fire alarms? You know you could get arrested for destroying the fire alarm. That's it, I'm calling your parents. Get out of the school now. When you get home, you're gonna be grounded. Oh no, Rosie, how dare you destroy the fire alarm? You know you could get arrested for that. That's it, you're grounded for 3 days. Go to your room right now!